Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Perfecta espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it was not grinding and it was not frothing. And for this machine we had to replace the grinder, this one that you see right here. Fortunately we had to replace the entire thing, so we did that. We also replaced the old carafe of the machine. They no longer make this one specifically. This is the newest version of the carafe for this machine. So we had to replace that. We also replaced the spouts. This one has a little crack. Well, not really a crack. You push it. This one has a crack right there, and it was leaking when it was dispensing coffee through there. We also replaced the coupling carafe. This is the thing that attaches to the to this little part, as you can see right here. It wasn't doing its job properly. It was clogged up. We replaced that. We also did a tune-up on the machine, replacing the brute unit, deep cleaning everything inside, replacing that O-ring as well from the generator that is located right here, and giving a D-scale and a good cleaning cycle all around the machine. Now the machine, we did definitely clean this machine a lot. It's definitely not in the same condition that it came here. We really did clean around the panels, deep clean around here, this part, the grinder. We did clean the whole entire hopper, remove all the old oil from the older coffee that it was running on the machine. We removed all that stuff. So we really did a good clean on this machine. So starting with one cappuccino, we're gonna test everything at once. We're gonna be testing the carafe, we're gonna be testing the spouts, we're gonna be testing everything on one shot with just one cappuccino. It's gonna be a standard coffee, standard cappuccino. We have number 3 setting on the machine itself, and as you can see over here is a cappuccino. It's on the 1 setting over here on the carafe. You can see the foam coming out through the carafe. It's really thick, looking great. I'm gonna switch it up so you can see better. We're using not milk. This is milk cleaner, but it will act exactly as milk. Pre-infusion, extraction. Now you can see it's a nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Excellent color at the bottom as well, and perfect quantity for a cappuccino. Almost 3 ounces. As you can see, three ounces right here. Excellent crema, great color. So there you have it, DeLonghi Perfecta, frothing once again and grinding once again. So thank you so much for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.